Hey everyone, Technomentary with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share the internet from one iPhone to another. So let's get started. So this phone has internet connection and this one doesn't. We're going to show you how you can share it. First thing you want to do with the phone that has your internet, go into your settings. From there on, you're going to go to personal hotspot. So we're going to go ahead and use the personal hotspot, which will connect to this phone's data from the other phones. We're going to turn that, allow others to join. And then you want to click on the password, set up password. I just have this demo password, but of course make yours a little bit more challenging. And then you're going to hit done. It has to be 8 characters or more. And then you want to click on maximize compatibility. And then from there on, it's going to tell you what network you can choose so that the other phone can join as a Wi-Fi. For this phone, it's going to be iPhone XY and iPhone XY. So we know this name comes from your settings general about right here. Whatever name you set here, it's going to be the name of the internet connection or the Wi-Fi that the other phone will join to. So once we have that figured out and we go into again back into our personal data hotspot and see that it's turned on, we can go onto the phone that we want the internet to, go into your settings, go to Wi-Fi and look for the personal hotspot, which is going to be, as you can see here, the name of the other iPhone. And we're going to click to join, and then we're going to enter that password we set. So password 123, and then hit join. And then from there on, as you can see here, it has joined and we have internet connection. And now I can go to a browser right here, and then as you can see, I can use the internet from the other phone to this phone just like that. So that's how you share the internet connection from one iPhone to another. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.